how to remove the C-pillar trim from your 2015 to 2020 Cadillac Escalade and similar GM vehicles. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. To remove the C-pillar trim, the first thing I'm going to do is fold forward the seat to get it out of the way. It should just give us more room. There's only two bolts that need to come out of this. First, you need to remove this cover right here. Once you take this off, you'll be able to look inside and see there's a 7mm bolt that needs to come out. And everything else is just snapped in, so you'll pull it forward and it'll come off. But in order to completely remove the C-pillar trim panel, you need to go down to where the seat belt is right here and remove this bolt, and then you can get the seat belt out and actually slide it through here to completely remove this off of the car. So we'll start with the bolt at the bottom, which is a T50 Torx bolt, and I'm going to use my socket and ratchet to get that out. With the bottom of the seat belt unbolted, now I'm going to remove the 7mm bolt that's up here at the top. And I'm just going to use a magnet to get that out. There's the 7mm screw at the top. And now you just simply need to pull it off. And now I'm going to push out this trim just to make it easier to slide the seat belt through. So just like that, then I can slide the trim around the seat belt, and now I can pull the seat belt through the C-pillar. And it comes out just like that. And as we look at the back side, we'll see some alignment tabs at the bottom. We'll see 3 clips right here, and then over here is where we took out the 7mm bolt. And installation is just the reverse of the removal process. So I'm going to feed the seat belt back through and get this back on. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.